What if I told you you could lose actual inches in 45 minutes? What if I told you that you could lose up to a full dress size in 45 minutes? Would you believe me? This is me. These are my real results with Acti Labs wraps. These things are amazing, guys. The more I wrap, the better it gets. Developed first as a professional treatment, Lipo Sculpting Fluid has now been made for home use. Lipo Sculpting Fluid can be applied as a wrap, or it can be applied all on its own. You're going to get faster results as a wrap. You're going to want to squeeze about a tablespoon of the product into your hand and then rub in circular motions the area that you want to be treated. This can take 5 to 10 minutes. I'm sorry your arms may ache at the end, but it's so worth it. This is the most important part of your wrapping treatment. You're going to want to continue to rub that in until it has fully absorbed into your skin. So basically, once it starts getting hard to rub, then you're done. I do deeply suggest you go ahead and give it just a couple more minutes before you apply the bandage to go ahead and make sure that there's no wetness left, because you don't want that to be stuck on your bandage. You really want that to be absorbed into your skin. Another thing that you're going to want to do is increase your water intake 2 to 3 days prior to your wrap. Doesn't have to be much, just an extra glass of water a day will do. You'll most likely notice some redness on your skin before you apply the wrap. That's totally normal. Don't be alarmed. That's just letting us know that the product is working. Now it's time to grab those bandages and we're going to get ready to wrap. We're going to start wrapping from the bottom and work our way up. You want to keep the wrap tight, but not too tight to hinder breathing or circulation. About the same amount of pressure as some Spanx. Even though you will see an immediate benefit when you remove the wraps, please remember it took more than 1 meal to do that damage, and it'll take more than 1 wrap to fix it all. In our bodies, we all have interstitial spaces where toxins and fats like to gather. An interstitial space is an empty space or gap between the cells. Over a period of time, these fill with toxins and fats. The sculpting wraps compress the layers back together so they don't refill. This is where the inch loss comes from. The wrap not only achieves excellent inch loss, but it's also going to tighten your skin so no more jiggles. Now it's time to wrap up for warmth. You can use a press and seal. There's a lot of options here that you can do. This is like just a little waist trainer girdle type of thing with some spandex in there. This is my favorite. This is my waist trainer. I use this most often. But for today's video, we're going to apply the old trusty cling wrap, which most of us have in our kitchen. And what you're going to do is just wrap around and around and around. This is going to help hold in the warmth, and it's also going to create some more pressure. Just be careful with the cling wrap and make sure that you don't wrap too tight, because it's super easy in my experience that you can wrap too tight and then it'll make it hard to breathe. So we don't want to do that, but you just want to wrap up to keep yourself warm. And like I said, I like to apply some extra pressure using my wrap here. You can even wrap up in just a towel or a robe, just something to keep the warmth in. Next step is to relax for 45 minutes. I threw my t-shirt on and I laid down in the bed and chilled for 45 minutes. And the last step is to reveal your new silhouette. I'm removing the cling wrap here first. It's easier to use scissors. And then now to remove the bandages from the top to the bottom. I did use 3 bandages to come with your kit, but I just had some extras. It's not important. You can wrap your thighs, your chest, your waist, your arms, your buttocks. And these are my before and after results. If you'd like to give these a try for yourself, contact your Acti Labs ambassador or click below for the link. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy wrapping. Bye.